All right, so today we got 5 different exercises we're gonna focus on right here on the bench. All right, let's turn a simple bench and sidewalk into your own outdoor workout zone right here at Waterside Estates. First up, we got the tricep dips. Keep your hands right beside your hips, fingers facing forward, and lower your body slowly until your elbows reach about 90 degrees. Press through your palms to lift your body back up. You'll feel this through your triceps and shoulders. If you need a modification, bring your feet closer and keep your knees tucked. That takes some pressure off your arms while keeping the movement controlled. Next, we got push-ups on the bench. I want you to start with your hands on the seat for more intensity. Keep your body in a straight line from shoulders to heels. Lower your chest towards the bench, then press away with power. If you need to modify, move your hands to the back of the bench. That higher angle gives you great form with less strain, but still builds your chest, shoulders, and core. Now it's time to get some cardio in with mountain climbers. You can perform them with your hands on the bottom of the bench for a challenge, or step behind the bench and use the back for a lower impact version. Keep your core tight and drive your knees towards your chest. This adds a burst of cardio while firing up your abs and legs. Next, we got the knee tucks. Sit on the edge of the bench, lean back slightly, and pull your knees towards your chest while bracing your core. You're targeting your abs and hip flexors. The key is slow, controlled movement rather than speed. And to finish, let's take it to the sidewalk for walking lunges. Step forward, drop your back knee toward the ground, then drive through your front heel to stand. This builds lower body strength, balance, and endurance all in one move. Repeat this circuit 3 to 4 rounds, 45 seconds per exercise, and you got a full body outdoor workout that hits strength, cardio, and core all in one. Tell me, which move do you think you'll feel the most tomorrow? The dips, the lunges, or those knee tucks? Drop your answer in the comments below.